Hello everyone, this is Cheryl Aniahan once again here from Saladmaster in Perth, and today I want to show you a dish called baked spaghetti pie using our limited edition 3/4 Gourmet Wok with a gold inlay. First thing that we need to do is to cook the pasta according to package instructions and then drain it like this. Whisk 2 eggs. Now use the Saladmaster machine using cone number 2 for our parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. Now for the mushroom, use cone number 4, the slicer. You can do it like this, or you can just chuck it inside the hopper and just push. Onion, cone number 4, and zucchini, cone number 2. When the spaghetti has cooled down slightly like this, put the eggs. Now add the spaghetti sauce, half of our cheese, basil, and our vegetables and mushroom. Stir to combine. Okay, now let's cook it using our 3/4 Gourmet Wok. First thing you have to do is to put a little bit of oil spray and then put your spaghetti mixture. Even out the top like this. Then add the remaining cheese on the top. Now, time to cook it. 35 to 40 minutes, medium heat in the beginning. Then when you hear the clicking, you turn it down to low. And now our baked spaghetti pie is done, and this is how it looks like. Ta-da! Now I'll turn the heat off, and we need to let it settle and cool down for about 15 minutes before we slice it. After 15 minutes of cooling down, just loosen up the edges like this before you cut it. And you can transfer it in a round serving dish, or you can just cut it from here. And using our Saladmaster turner, and you can add some parmesan cheese on the top. And this is our baked spaghetti pie. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!